Am I the only one that didn't know AI isn't here to fire your doctor, it's here to help them help you? Seriously, we've been hearing it all wrong. Let's set the record straight. Everywhere you look, people are asking, will AI take over healthcare? Spoiler, nope. The truth is, AI isn't here to swap out your nurse or doctor for a robot. It's more like a super smart assistant behind the scenes. Think about it. AI can analyze mountains of data way faster than any human. That means it can help doctors spot patterns, flag risks, and suggest possible diagnoses. But here's the catch. AI doesn't have that human touch. It can't hold your hand when you're nervous, or listen the way a real person can. Real healthcare isn't just about crunching numbers, it's about trust, empathy, and good old conversation. AI might remind your doctor about the latest research or help book your appointments faster, but it won't replace the heart-to-heart moments that actually matter. So next time someone says, robots are taking over hospitals, just smile. The future of healthcare is a team effort. Smart tech, plus even smarter, caring humans. AI is the bridge, not the replacement. In the end, it's not about man versus machine. It's about working together to keep you healthy, safe, and heard. And that's a future we can all trust.